Yeah. So as I was discussing, there are two types of need that every customer has, short-term as well as long-term needs. So considering that into account, we have introduced with Gift Plus. So this caters to both the needs of the customer. Let's go through the first option. Here the customer has the option to pay for 5 years. So here, let's take an example. The customer age is 40. He's paying 1 lakh rupees for 5 years. So by the time he's 44, he has completed his premium paying term, after which he has to wait for 2 years, and he then starts receiving a yearly payout of 45,000 rupees for next 5 years. Okay. After that, he also gets, after the completion of those 5 years where he is getting a guaranteed amount for next 5 years, a lump sum of 5.22 lakh rupees is given to the customer. So whatever premium he has paid, he will get, in fact he's getting a little more than what he has paid in the last 5 years, plus he is also getting a regular income for 5 years, after which the lump sum is paid. So how does this work? Let me just explain you in this Excel file that we have created. So year one, you are paying 1 lakh rupees. Likewise, you are paying for 5 years. Then you are waiting for 2 years. From the 7th year till the 11th year, you are getting 45,000 rupees as your yearly income. And on the 12th year, whatever we have the option of paying for 5 years. Customer also has the option of paying for 7 years. Team, you can go to the customers whose child is young and he has just started with his primary education, or is about to start with his primary education. You can go to such customers. You can tell them, sir, you pay for 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, and we will take care of your primary education school fees with this amount that you will keep on getting. So with this 78,000, he can make sure that his primary education is taken care of. Then when the child is in 10th standard or 12th standard, we want to make sure that the child goes into the best coaching classes. So we have to get some amount of money for the same. So coaching classes are not that cheap nowadays. We have to make sure that you have some substantial amount of money for the same. So you can get this return of premium of whatever amount you have paid, plus some additional amount will be returned back to you through this plan. So you have option of 5 years payment, 10 years payment, and 7 years payment. Now, like we have the other variant in GIFT, which is called early income plan. Similarly, in this GIFT Plus also, we have an early income variant where the customer he will start paying 1 lakh rupees for 7 years. From the second year onwards, till the cooling off period, he is getting an amount of 8.8 thousand rupees for next 7 years. So एक early cashback type उसे मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा from the second year itself, right? After the cooling off period is over, he starts receiving 50,000 rupees every year for next 7 years. After which that is completed, he again gets the return of premium of whatever amount he has paid plus additional. So this is early income option. That was Gift Plus income option. Here customer will start receiving a substantial amount of money from the second year itself. And but in Gift Plus, the customer has to wait for 2 years and then he will start receiving the money.
What happens when, Shraddha, what happens when the life assured passes away when between 9 years payment? Means, whether you...
then we will give him the sum assured that he is eligible for.
The nominee will get the sum assured.
Yes, ma'am.
But this 71.5 or 50 lakhs,
then the amount will keep on continuing for their family to get
till the policy term ends.
Yes, ma'am.
Even if the life assured dies in between.
Yes, once the income period starts, ma'am, that time if anything happens to the life assured, then the income will keep on continuing, but the sum assured will only be given during the policy term, that is during his premium paying term plus the cooling off period.
And what if during the PPT time, if the life assured dies, so if he's...
Then the sum assured will be given.
So no income will be given, right?
No income will be given.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is pretty much self-explanatory. This is just the boundary condition. Moving on to our guaranteed pension plan. So team, this is a phenomenal product. If you go to the customers, if you are able to segment the customers in the right way, I am sure that you can definitely find out at least 10 such customers in your own, list of customers, or the equity equity customers who deal with you. You can just find out. In fact, if you just go through it now, minimum 10 people you will be able to find out who would be wanting to invest into an annuity like plan. So this is one of the most beautiful product, and I definitely think that there's a lot of market segment which is still yet to be explored, and we have the opportunity through this product. So some facts and figures: by 2050, average life expectancy will be 75 years. Okay, so life expectancy is increasing due to our advancement in technology, in science, into medicals. So life is increasing technically. So by 2050, we will live, average life will be 75 years. 44 population will be senior citizen as against 10% of today. So one of the majority chunk of our population will become senior citizen by 2050. So you see there's a huge opportunity that we have, because they are senior citizen ban gaye, ya, after retirement, we still want to live the life that we have lived for so long. While we were working, we were making sure that we have the best of everything, and we want to make sure that even after retirement, we have those things we are able to go through. If there's any need that we have, or if you want to gift our grandchild something, or if you want to go for a vacation, we do not want to hesitate about the same, right? So likewise, in 2050, there will be more people older than 60 years than those below 15 years. So these are some facts and figures. By this means all of us need to be ready for retirement, right? But the important question is how. So let me tell you team that India में LIC सबसे ज़्यादा retirement के policies, pension policies बेचता है. But हम लोग अभी तक as a private sector, we are still yet exploring this segment. So if you approach what I want to say is that there's a market in India where people want to invest into pension plan, where they want to make sure that they're retirement ready. You just have to identify those customers, and you will definitely find in your own, a group of people whom you are interacting on everyday basis. So coming to guaranteed pension plan, which is GPP. So these are the key features of this plan. First, it is available in both immediate as well as deferred annuity. I'll explain each of the points, so no worries. Second, there are new annuity options, top up, high purchase price, etc. I'll just go through slides for you to explain further. So let's go through the first. What is immediate annuity and what is deferred annuity? Okay, so immediate annuity would be for those customers who are nearing retirement. So if you have customers who are maybe in their late 50s, who are about to retire, then you have to pitch them immediate annuity plan. So as soon as they retire, they start receiving an annuity amount immediately. Okay, as the name itself suggests. Deferred annuity, as the name suggests, you can defer by some amount of time. You can defer to receive the payment. So for example, you can pitch this product to customers who are in their late 40s and early 50s. So those customers who are like right now 50 and they are going to retire at the age of 60, so they still have 10 years of working period where they will keep on getting their money, right, through their salary or whatever. Okay, so for those customers who have a substantial amount of time before they retire, you can pitch deferred annuity to them. Now let's go through the current annuity rates. So these rates are deferred, as you can see on over this column, that the deferment period is written, whereas on the right side, annuity rate for joint life with return of premium. What is joint life with return of premium and what is single life with return of premium? I'll just explain it to you. But you can just see that if the customer opts to get the immediate payout on the annuity, the the annuity rate is 5.93%. But if he chooses to just defer it by 1 year, मतलब समझो आज मैं पॉलिसी खरीद रही हूँ annuity का guaranteed pension plan, today I'm buying that policy and I'm saying I want to start receiving the payment after 1 year, then my annuity rate increases by 6.35 or 6.41%. Likewise, I say कि मुझे अभी नहीं चाहिए, मैं अभी 50 की हूँ. I want my money to start from the 60. As soon as I turn 60, then my annuity rate goes up to 11.35%. So please identify those customers who who are at the age of 40s or 50s, and you can definitely pitch this product to them. Now, what is joint life with return of premium, and what is, I'll just cover it in other slides also. So let's move on to the competition H, competition L, and competition T. If you compare, ICICI Prudential Guaranteed Pension Plan is higher in all the deferment periods, even in immediate annuity or deferment at 2 years or 10 years, we are at the highest. So you can definitely go to the customer with and tell them that we are best in the class, and they do not need to worry when they invest with us. Now, what are the new annuity options? So here I will cover what is basically return of premium on single life and joint life. So customer has the option to either assure his own life. For example, I can say I want single life, matlab my own life only. I want to cover my own life only. Then it's single life. And when I opt for return of premium, that means whatever premium I have paid on my death, that premium will go back to my nominee. Now, what is joint life? For example, I opt if I die, I want my spouse to keep on getting that annuity amount. Then it is joint life. So two lives are joint in this plan. So it's a joint life, and then return of premium is given for whatever premium is paid. Now we also have the option of annuity for life with return of premium on critical illness, permanent disability, or death. Okay, so in case, but this is only available for single life, not for joint life. So if in case customer is detected with critical illness or permanent disability or death, then he gets the return of premium. Now annuity for life, these are the first time in the industry. So this is exceptionally new thing that we have introduced in the industry, which is annuity for life with return at 80, annuity for life with return of premium at age 76, and 50% of ROP at 80. Similarly, in deferred annuity, we have two options. I just explained, so it's self-explanatory for deferred annuity as well. So in case you want to explore a little more about how these different annuity options work, whether if you opt to choose to get the return of premium at 80, what would be the fund that the customer is getting, definitely get in touch with us so that we can share some EBIs and sample with you. And it might help you, to talk to the customer accordingly. Now, we have the third feature is top-up option. For example, a customer opts to get, a GPP plan of 20 lakh rupees. It's a single pay product. Team, just let me once more clarify. This is a single pay product. Customer bas ek baar bharta hai. ठीक है? Now he pays 20 lakh rupees as a single premium. ठीक है? He opts to defer it by 10 years. Okay, now assuming the current annuity rate at 10 years deferment is 11.35%, his annuity payable is 2,26,000 for the rest of his life. So till the time he's alive, he will keep on receiving this 2.26 lakh rupees. Okay, and on his death, the return of premium will be done. Okay, now after the 5th year of the investment, he's still deferring, right? He's 10 years of deferment is there. On the 5th year, he says, यार मुझे ना 10 lakh का bonus मिल गया, या I sold my property, so I have some extra cash to invest in. Then he can top up in the same policy. He can top up by whatever amount that he wishes to. And as now the deferment period has been reduced for this particular 10 lakh by 5 years only, then the annuity rate is 8.14, and he gets additional 81,000. So as he has topped up, now this 2.26 lakh that he was going to get, now he'll start receiving 3.08 lakh rupees per annum for next for till the time he is alive. Okay. Now, high purchase price benefit, as the name itself suggests, the higher you invest into, the higher the investment is, the higher would be the annuity rates that the customer gets. Loyalty booster for existing customers. So there's a loyalty booster of 1% if there's any existing customer of ICICI Prudential. Now, the best thing about the GPP that we have introduced is the expanded list of joint life. So earlier क्या होता था, अगर मैं joint life का policy लेने जाती थी, then I had to compulsory keep my spouse as my joint life. So in case something happens to me, then my spouse will keep on getting that money. If my spouse also dies, then the return of premium will happen. But now you can also keep your son, daughter, parent, or sibling as your joint life, which is phenomenal. Just for an example, I take this policy and I keep my son or my daughter as my joint life. Just imagine, as they are young, they are going to be younger than me, obviously, and hopefully they live healthy and happily. So they will keep on getting money for a very long period of time, even after my death. So they will keep on getting that money, and after, in case something happens to them, then the nominee that will be left will get the return of premium. So there's an option of son, daughter, parents, and sibling as well now. So how this is a 3-generation plan. A father at the age of 60 years and his son is right now 30. Okay, this is the generation first. Father takes the policy. Father की death हो जाती है 70 में, but अभी तो 70 में death हुई है, but the child is still 40 years of age, right? So 40 years का ही अभी बच्चा है, तो child will keep on getting that money till the time he dies. Here we have taken an example of that he dies at the age of 75. Then the lump sum will go to the nominee. So basically, it's a 3-generation plan. Okay, so this was GPP. Last product, guaranteed increasing pension, is similar to GPP. We all know that inflation is everywhere and it has been bothering everyone. Even though we plan that we have to make sure that the income is regularly, we keep on getting our income, but inflation is something which is out of our control. So considering that the inflation is there, we have modified few things and come up with guaranteed increasing pension, like guaranteed pension plan, which we earlier discussed about. Similarly, we have guaranteed increasing pension. So these are the key benefits. Let's just get into the product. What this plan says is, आप एक X amount भर रहे हैं, for that you're paying some amount of money. For first 5 years, you get an X amount of return on that particular amount. Okay. After the 5th year is completed, for next 5 years, your X amount will get double to 2X. After those 5 years, when your amount is doubled, from the 11th year onwards, till lifetime, your amount will be tripled. So considering inflation, we have made sure that we allocate funds into your in this product in such a way that the customer's income keeps on increasing, keeping into account that as and when the year pass on, the inflation will also catch up. So this is a very beautiful product, team. We need to find out the customers, do some analysis and find out this customers who are actually in the age group of 50s to 60s, or in the late 40s. We need to find out and pitch this product to them right away, because this is one of its kind. Let's take an example. Here customer is investing 1 crore rupees. Okay, he's investing 1 crore rupees and he has opted for immediate annuity. Okay, there's no deferment here, there is an immediate annuity. From the very immediate year, he'll start receiving 2.38 lakh rupees as his income for first 5 years. पहले 5 साल उसे 2.38 lakh rupees मिल रहा है. After those 5 years are over, for next 10 years, his 2.38 is doubled to 5.23 lakh rupees. So he'll start receiving 5.23 lakh rupees from 6th year to 10th year. Okay, and from the 11th year onwards till lifetime, his income will be tripled and he will start receiving 8.08 lakh rupees till the time he is alive. Okay. And once something happens, then the return of premium of that 1 crore will be given back to the customer. Now, how are we able to give such phenomenal double, triple rates to the customer? It's simple. Like we discussed in the earlier plan, guaranteed pension plan, here what we are doing, the customer is giving us 1 crore. This is just for your explanation. The customer is giving us 1 crore rupees. We are investing 40% of that 1 crore in immediate annuity. Okay. The next 35% we are investing into deferred annuity by 5 years. Okay. And the third, we are putting 25% into deferred annuity by 10%. So we are bifurcating the allocated amount into this percentage wise, and that is how we can double it and triple it, so that the customer can make sure that with the inflation, this money can also be increasing for his own health.
Shraddha,
Now,
1 minute. Shraddha, 1 minute. Why? How did you arrive to that 2.38? How is the
तो
what is
मैम 1 करोड़ का हम लोग ने है ना 1 करोड़ में से 40 लाख रुपीस इमीडिएट एन्युटी में डाल दिया है. इमीडिएट एन्युटी का करंट एन्युटी रेट इज 5.93%. तो
उसका
भी 2.38 होता है.
Okay, great. Okay, understood.
So this is for single life. Similarly for joint life, if you see in single life 2.38 rupees मिल रहा है, joint life में 2.37 हो जा रहा है, single life में 5.23 है, joint life में 5.11 हो रहा है, single life में 8.08 है, इसमें 7.81 हो रहा है. So if you see, there's not a lot of difference. So even if customer wants to make sure that उसका spouse या उसके parents or son, daughter, whatever, ठीक है, उसमें से किसी को अगर जॉइंट लाइफ बनना है, then it's a good option to go ahead with. A lot of customer choose to go for joint life option. So let's take an example. customer ने 1 करोड़ रुपया भरा, उसको जब तक जिंदा है तब तक उसको 2.3 मिल रहा है, फिर वो डबल हो गया है और 5.11 मिल रहा है, देन वो ट्रिपल हो गया, एंड इस बीच में जो कस्टमर ने लिया था उसकी डेथ हो गई है. But as the joint life is still alive, the joint life will keep on receiving this income till he is alive. Okay. And once both the joint life are no more, then this 1 crore that he has invested earlier will be given to his nominee. So these are the boundary conditions. Minimum premium is 6 lakh rupees. Age at entry has to be 30. So make sure that the joint life age of entry is also 30. It cannot be lesser than that. Age at entry is 85. Maximum age of entry. Policy term is, so this is basically self-explanatory. I already told you that the GPP, how we are bifurcating, how is the split done, 40%, 35 and 25%. So this was it for the product part of explanation.